Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix flashing screen problem on your Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are in our PC or in your laptop. So the first thing that we would need to do is go into our task manager. So to do that, right click on the taskbar and go click on task manager right here. And then from here, once you have seen that your task manager is not flickering while the rest of the screen is flickering, then that is the sign that you have an incompatible app running in your system that is causing the flickering of your screen. So to resolve this, all you have to do is find that app right here. So find that app there and click on end task right here. So you need to end task that app in order for you to solve that flickering, and then after that you need to uninstall that app because it is not compatible to your Windows system or whatsoever that it causes your flickering right here. So to uninstall it, go into your start menu and type in uninstall. And you can click here on add or remove programs right here on your system, and then from here you can see the apps and features, and you can see all the apps that is installed in your system right here, and you can sort by install date, and you can see the recent installed one in your system, and that is basically how you uninstall it by clicking on it and clicking here on uninstall. And now that we're done with this one, once you have made sure that this is not a problem right here, if this didn't resolve your problem, then now we can proceed to the next step, which is simply going into your display driver. So to do this, we need to go into our start menu, and from here we're gonna type in device, and we can see the device manager under control panel. So we're gonna go for that, click on it right here. So we're gonna go here into our monitors right here. So from here you want to make sure that you have your monitor driver updated. So in this case, I'm gonna go and right click in my monitor driver right here, right click and click on update driver and search automatically for drivers right here. But as you can see, in my case, I already have the best drivers installed, but if not, if in your case it's not yet installed, then I would need you to download and install it right away so that we can solve your problem. And if this didn't solve your problem, then we can now proceed to the next step, which is simply restarting your monitor. So you can just unplug it, then plug it again in order for it to power on and power off. And that way you can restart your computer, your monitor, or you can also restart your computer by going into your power button right here in your start menu and click on restart. That is a very simple solution, but that might be very, very helpful. So if that didn't solve your problem, then we can now proceed to the next step, which is going into your start menu and typing in display right here, and we're gonna go into the display of your settings. So let's just go to settings right here since I'm not getting the search result that I want. And then from here we're gonna go into system right here, and we're gonna go click here on display right here. So once you have made sure of this, then from here what you can do is that you can go for this one right here, display resolution. Make sure this is the recommended one, and display orientation also if you need this right here. And after this, you want to go into the advanced display settings, click on it right here, and make sure that your refresh rate is the one that you can that is recommended to your system right here. That is, you can experiment with your refresh rates right here and see if it's going great for your system. And as you can see, in my case, I'm selecting 75 Hertz right here because this is what my system or my monitor can give me at best. So yeah, this is what I would settle with. So I'm gonna close it right here. And if this didn't solve your problem right here, then what I can recommend is you need to update your GPU driver next. So to do that, in my case, I have a AMD graphics card, so I will be going to start menu and typing in AMD right here, and I want to open my AMD software. But if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, then you might want to type here GeForce or NVIDIA, and you would have an NVIDIA software to update your graphics card. So in my case, all I have to do is click here on download and it would automatically install. But in my case, I would not be doing that because my current version is working fine. I don't have any problem. But in your case, you should definitely click here and download the new update. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.